is all of you, baby, baby.
So your girl is scared. If you want to know why I'm scared, so today is the day. We are getting ready to get this big tree in the back of our yard. We're getting ready to get it taken down, okay? And it is wet and rainy out here today, so I'm getting ready to show you that tree, and I'm gonna show you how wet and rainy. I just messaged the guy asking was he still gonna come. He said he's gonna still come. Look, I'm scared for his life. I'm scared for our house because I don't want that tree to mistakenly come the wrong way and we don't have no place to stay. Like, I'm so serious about this. But just take a look because that tree is huge. So first of all, look at this tree. This tree is huge. This is the biggest tree that we had in our yard. I mean, and I'm still going up. Like, I want you to see the top and the bottom. That is the tree. So we waited a while to get this tree, but this tree is rotten, and I might try to go down on the outside to show you how bad it's rotten. So while I'm walking around to see the tree, look at all this water to tell you it's wet and rainy. It is really cold out here today, and I mean it's cold for real, and I mean it's a lot of water out here. And like right now, this is how far I made it so that you can see another angle of the tree. But yeah, I'm scared, man. All right, so here's a close view of the outside of the tree. As you can see, it is rotten all up and through there. So of course, all the weight is shifting anyway from this side to the house. So if anything was to happen to this tree, it can easily fall towards the house. And these is all the branches, you know, everything that has fallen off of the tree. So this tree needs to be removed. So just this one tree, guys, this is like $3,000 to get this tree taken down. This one tree. All right, so let me see if I can show how big the tree is. I'm actually trying not to fall. The ground is mushy and wet. Okay, here we go from another view. This is a lot of work, like I'm just ready to see the tree say kaboom in the opposite direction. Like the where I'm standing, the tree needs to fall towards me, not to the house. So I'm kind of nervous about this because like I say, yeah. And I'm gonna show you this field that I'm in right quick. All right, so one more view. The tree and this field. Like, this field does not belong to us. So we're kind of utilizing it now because there's nothing in this field at the moment. But he's going to have to put his trucks and stuff back here to pull that tree that way. And once he get it down, of course, he's going to chop it up, load it up, and all that kind of stuff. But hopefully he could get that done fairly quickly. And the people's property who this belonged to, hopefully they will not know that we took this tree down and we had a, fall in their property. But this was the best way to do it because it's an open field. Nobody's here. There's no houses, no churches, there's no parking lot. There's nothing. This is the best way to do it right now. But yeah. Woo, so I'm not even gonna lie, yo. It is cold. Like, my hands is ice cold right now. But anyway, if anybody was to say anything about us using the property, I mean, we just have to go take it as is and go from there. But hopefully we won't have any issues because at one point in time we did contact it belongs to a church. We did contact the church to see if we could buy the land, but they did say they didn't have a problem with it. But then all of a sudden they was like, oh well, we have a church who we have people who use our church and they actually want to use it to build another church. So long story short, they gave us all these reasons of why they didn't want to sell it to us. So yeah, but if we were to get that tree taken down, we could do a lot of stuff because the fence we have around that house, we could take the fence down and we could extend the fence out, to give us more land within our property. But we had so many trees that it was taken from how much space and land we had due to the trees. But whew, it is cold. Like, it's crazy. Woo, my hand is ice cold. But anyway, guys, so I'm just waiting for them to get here, and whenever they get here, we're gonna see the work. So he has arrived. Now he might not start today because he knows it's too wet and it's calling for rain about 1 o'clock. So he's just gonna unload his equipment and we're gonna go from there. All right, so they have made it back today. They didn't come yesterday, but it was raining on his side of town, but it didn't rain on our side of town. So he's going to attempt this today. As you can see, that is not rain. That is ice. So I don't know if it's planning on snowing soon or what, but that is ice. So they might not get much done today, but we're going to see. But I ain't going to record too much because your girl about to go back in this house where it's warm at. But we're going to see how much they get done because, like I said, that's not rain, baby. That's ice. All right, so now it's raining even harder now, of course, but this is what they got done so far. All the branches they've taken down so far. So he got to start slow because, like I say, this tree is huge. So he's trying to cut these branches down first before he just dropped this tree. So they are gone for the day, but they should be back maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday, because I work tomorrow, so they might not come tomorrow because I prefer to be here when they're doing this work because it's dangerous. So they might come back Thursday, but this is what they done so far. Oh, I almost missed it. I almost missed that. Oh my god. So this was all that was holding the tree together. Like, this is it. This piece right here is all that was holding it up. That is it. This tree is full of these little roaches. Whew. Well, this is a big mess. Now we gotta clean it out. Look at that. So at this point, this is what's left. They're working pretty quickly now. That's pretty much it. Let's see what's in my backyard though. Alright, so they just gotta clean this stuff up here in the backyard. There's a little pile over there. So yeah, this is it. They moving as fast as they can. They have to keep filling up the truck and leaving and dropping it off and coming back getting more, so you can only do it so much. But they are working, getting it done. So this is what it looks like so far. You're fine. This is what it looks like so far. And this is what he got left right now. They're trying to clean that up. But yeah, that whole tree is gone. We just gotta let them get this here out of our yard. This is all they have left. You know, a few little pieces here. And this is pretty much it. But yeah, they're getting the job done, guys.